Welcome to Gearverse Outdoor. Improving your swimming technique requires the right tools and dedication. Best training fins swimming help enhance speed, strength, and kick efficiency, making every pool session more effective while boosting endurance and overall performance in the water. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Wave Swimming Fin. The Wave Swimming Fin is an excellent choice for those who are serious about freediving and spearfishing. Designed with performance in mind, these fins feature replaceable blades made of high-strength polypropylene, which makes them durable, lightweight, and highly efficient in water. The larger blade surface ensures maximum propulsion, allowing divers to move swiftly and with less effort, making each dive smoother and more enjoyable. The foot pocket, made from tear-resistant TPR material, provides a snug and comfortable fit, ensuring that every kick is transferred directly into thrust without energy loss. This thoughtful approach minimizes discomfort and improves overall performance. Whether you're freediving recreationally or engaging in spearfishing, the Wave Swimming Fin combines durability, comfort, and efficiency, making it a dependable choice. Its balance of strength and flexibility ensures divers can enjoy smoother movements and greater agility underwater, making it a top recommendation for those wanting a reliable fin for extended dives.
Number 2. Arena Unisex Swimming Fin. The Arena Unisex Swimming Fin is tailored for professional and competitive swimmers looking to refine their underwater phase and improve overall leg power. Crafted from innovative, long-lasting silicone, these fins offer both comfort and durability while reducing the chances of blisters even with intensive use. What makes them stand out is their hydrodynamic design, featuring a sloping surface and well-placed slits that encourage a faster, more controlled leg kick. The short blade construction allows for maximum forward thrust while ensuring swimmers maintain proper tempo and technique. Arena also designed these fins specifically for left and right feet, along with an open heel structure that enhances ankle flexibility, ensuring a more powerful downward kick and quicker upward recovery. This combination makes them particularly effective for training sessions focused on leg strength and endurance. Additionally, the side grooves and bottom notches improve overall control and stability in the water, making each stroke more effective. Number 3. FINIS Swimming Fin. The FINIS Swimming Fin is a trusted and versatile option designed to enhance swimming performance for all ages and skill levels. Its long floating fins are crafted to provide maximum buoyancy and forward propulsion, which makes swimming more efficient and enjoyable. The buoyancy also encourages swimmers to elongate their kicks, providing valuable feedback and making training sessions more productive. Designed for use in both freshwater and saltwater, these fins float naturally, adding an extra layer of convenience when swimming outdoors. The durable material ensures long-lasting use while remaining comfortable on the feet even during extended training. FINIS has built a strong reputation for creating innovative products, and these fins are no exception. They reflect the brand's mission to simplify swimming while supporting athletes in developing proper technique and endurance. Overall, the FINIS Swimming Fin is an excellent tool for swimmers who want to improve propulsion, strengthen their legs, and refine body positioning in the water.
Number 4. Speedo Swimming Fin. The Speedo Swimming Fin is a reliable and comfortable choice for fitness swimmers who want a well-balanced training tool to build leg strength and improve kicking technique. Made from soft, natural rubber, these fins are not only durable but also gentle on the skin, making them suitable for extended training sessions without causing irritation. The foot pocket is engineered for maximum comfort, wrapping around the foot securely while still allowing flexibility. It provides enough thrust to build strength and endurance while still allowing swimmers to maintain tempo and practice efficient technique. Unlike longer blades that may limit flexibility, the medium blade design makes this a versatile option for a variety of training purposes. Whether you are aiming to enhance speed, endurance, or overall kicking power, the Speedo Swimming Fin adapts well to different training goals. Its straightforward yet effective design reflects Speedo's commitment to quality swim gear.
For swimmers seeking a practical fin that combines comfort, durability, and performance, the Speedo Swimming Fin is a smart and dependable choice. Number 5. Floating Swimming Fin. The floating swimming fin is a highly practical and versatile training fin designed to help swimmers improve body alignment, propulsion, and overall kicking technique. Much like its FINIS counterpart, it features long floating fins that naturally lift the legs toward the water surface. These fins are suitable for both beginners and advanced swimmers, offering valuable feedback to help elongate and strengthen leg movement. Built for use in both fresh and salt water, the floating swimming fin maintains buoyancy in different conditions, making it highly adaptable for pool training and open water practice. The comfortable foot pocket ensures a secure fit while minimizing fatigue during long training sessions. Made from durable materials, they promise long-term performance and reliability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned swimmer, investing in the best training fin swimming can make a noticeable difference in your technique and stamina. Lightweight, durable, and designed for comfort, these fins help you maximize every practice session. Upgrade your swim gear today and experience faster, stronger, and more efficient swimming like never before.